Everyone is talking about AI right now, but here's the problem. If you're a beginner, AI doesn't feel exciting. It feels overwhelming. There are hundreds of tools, confusing names, and people shouting, "Use AI, or you'll be left behind." So in this video, I'm not going to hype it, I'm going to simplify it. I'll show you the only AI tools beginners actually need to learn first, what they do, why they matter, and what you should completely ignore. For now, if you're new to AI, this video will save you months of confusion. Most beginners make one big mistake. They start with advanced AI tools before understanding the basics. They jump into automation, agents, and complex workflows without knowing how AI thinks, responds, or even fails. So instead of trying to learn everything, you need to learn the right tools in the right order. Let's start. The first AI tool every beginner must learn is ChatGPT. Not because it's trendy, but because it teaches you how to talk to AI. ChatGPT is your foundation. It helps you write, explain concepts, generate ideas, learn faster, and think more clearly. But most beginners use it wrong. They type one simple line, get a bad answer, and then assume AI is useless. The real skill isn't just asking, it's prompting. That means asking clearly, adding context to your questions, and refining the responses you get back. If you master ChatGPT, every other AI tool becomes so much easier. Think of it as learning the language of AI. The second category beginners should learn is AI image generation. Tools like Dole, Midjourney, Gemini Image, or Leonardo AI. Why is this so important? Because creating visuals with AI teaches you about prompt structure, creative control, and having an iterative mindset. You quickly learn that AI isn't magic. It's all about giving clear, specific directions. This is a skill that directly helps you create better thumbnails, presentations, marketing materials, and social media content. You don't need to be a professional designer, you just need to learn how to describe what you want clearly. Next up, let's talk about AI for writing and research. And no, not for cheating. This is about thinking better. AI can help you summarize long articles in seconds, break down complex topics into simple terms, rewrite your own ideas for clarity, and organize your thoughts into a structured outline. Beginners should use AI like a thinking assistant, not as a replacement for their own effort. This is where your productivity actually starts to skyrocket. Now we get to the part where most beginners get really excited. AI video and voice tools. Tools like CapCut's AI features, AI voice generators, and auto subtitle tools. These tools are game changers for beginners because they let you create videos without expensive cameras, experiment with different content styles, and learn the fundamentals of pacing and storytelling. The goal here isn't to create a perfect masterpiece on your first try. The goal is to start publishing content consistently. AI removes the technical barriers, but remember, your ideas are still what matter most. Now, listen carefully. As a beginner, you should completely ignore complex AI automation, agent frameworks, multi-tool workflows, and advanced APIs. Not because they're bad, but because they come later. If you skip the fundamentals, trying to automate things will just confuse you instead of helping you. At its core, AI is not about the tools. It's about clear thinking, giving clear instructions, and having clear goals. Master these beginner tools first, and you'll naturally and easily move into more advanced uses later on. In my next videos, I'll show you how these tools connect and how you can move step by step into building your own AI. If you're just starting your AI journey, comment start below. And if you want simple AI guides, explained without all the hype, make sure you subscribe and stick with the channel. Thanks for watching.